In this video, we listed the 5 best MATX PC case on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Metalfish S9 PC Case. The Metalfish S9 PC case is a robust and stylish option designed for gamers and enthusiasts, constructed from 0.8 to 1 mm steel for durability. With dimensions of 350 by 160 by 280 mm, it supports MATX and ITX motherboards up to 245 by 245 mm, providing ample space for components, including a graphics card up to 338 mm in length. The case offers versatile cooling options, accommodating a 135 mm tower cooler or a 180 mm liquid cooler, and features multiple 9 cm fan slots for optimal airflow. Connectivity is enhanced with USB 3.0 Type-C and Type-A ports on the front panel. Additionally, it supports various power supply units, ATX, SFX, and includes storage options for up to 3 3.5-inch HDDs and 2 2.5-inch SSDs, making it a flexible choice for any build. Number 2. Mechanical Master C+Max PC Case. The Mechanic Master C+Max Mini ITX case is a stylish and functional chassis designed to accommodate long GPUs of up to 385 mm and versatile power supplies, ATX, SFX, SFXL, making it compatible with a wide range of components. Its horizontal design not only enhances aesthetics but also improves airflow for optimal cooling performance. This compact case supports MATX and ITX form factors, fitting seamlessly into tight spaces without sacrificing functionality. It is engineered to support 240 mm water cooling radiators and features robust construction with aluminum and tempered glass, ensuring durability and an appealing look. With a weight of 3.8 kg and dimensions of 392 by 185 by 284 mm, it provides ample storage options, including 2 3.5-inch and 1 2.5-inch drive bays, while also offering convenient front panel connectivity, including Type-C and USB 3.0 ports. The Mechanic Master C+Max is ideal for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking a high-performance, visually striking PC case. Number 3. Jonsbo Z20 PC Case. The Jonsbo Z20 PC case is a compact and stylish mid-tower chassis designed for MATX and ATX motherboards, featuring a sleek black and orange design with a detachable handle for easy transport. Weighing 5.5 kg and measuring 38 by 20 by 30 cm, it accommodates graphics cards up to 363 mm in length and CPU coolers up to 163 mm in height. The case supports a 240 mm radiator for efficient cooling and includes 3 internal 2.5-inch drive bays along with 1 3.5-inch bay for ample storage options. While it does not come with a power supply or fans, it offers options for 2 140 mm and 2 120 mm fans, ensuring customizable airflow. Constructed from aluminum and acrylic, the Jonsbo Z20 combines durability with modern aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals looking for a functional yet visually appealing case. Number 4. Mechanic Master C26 PC Case. The Mechanic Master C26 is a compact and stylish mini PC case designed for micro ATX systems, featuring a durable aluminum alloy construction that supports high-performance components. Measuring 315 by 265 by 160 mm and weighing 5 kg, it accommodates graphics cards up to 310 mm in length and power supplies up to 100 mm long. The case includes advanced dust filters on the front, top, and rear, ensuring that your system remains clean and operates efficiently. It offers 2 options for 120 mm fans to enhance airflow and cooling performance. The transparent side panel allows users to showcase their builds, making it ideal for enthusiasts. With storage options for 2 2.5-inch drives and 1 3.5-inch drive, the Mechanic Master C26 balances functionality and aesthetics, making it a perfect choice for both home and office setups. Number 5. Metalfish S9 PC Case. The Metalfish S9 is a mid-tower PC case designed for ATX systems, offering a robust steel construction and a compact footprint of 375 by 188 by 300 mm while weighing just 3.5 kilograms. It accommodates graphics cards up to 360 mm in length and CPU coolers up to 160 mm in height, making it suitable for high-performance builds. The case supports a 240 mm radiator for efficient cooling but does not include a power supply or RGB lighting. With its top-mounted power supply configuration, the S9 is ideal for desktop setups. The design prioritizes functionality and durability, making it a solid choice for both gamers and professionals seeking an affordable yet reliable chassis for their computing needs, priced at $66.75 before taxes with an additional 5% discount.